Welcome on this lecture, and in this lecture we describe the pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Okay, so first of all, you should be know about the what is the meaning of jurisprudence. So it is the basically it is the science or philosophy of the law. Okay, so there are lots of laws which is applicable for only in pharmaceutical areas. Okay, so it is applicable in pharmaceutical areas, and this is the legal system of laws or of the body of the laws applied in pharmaceutical areas. Okay, so this is very important point, and because it is the legal system. Okay, so in each pharmaceutical areas, these all the laws is applicable. Okay, and if not applicable, then the industries will be not initiated. Okay, uh, okay, so next one is the features of jurisprudence. So what is the meaning of feature, or you can say the features of jurisprudence? So it confers the rights. Okay, there are lots of rights which is applicable for the all pharmaceutical industry. Access to the healthcare. It also if you can say promote the healthcare system facilities as well as related matters. Okay, it is provides protection to the people and promote health, provide finances to the health, and provide the surveillance, or you can say very beneficial for the healthcare. Okay, so it is very important feature of the jurisprudence. Okay, so in the next slide, it is the historical points regarding the pharmacy practices. Okay, and basically focused on the Nepal region. Okay. So pharmacy practices in Nepal date back to the ancient Nepal, and during Pratap Mara regiment, Ayurvedic medicine production unit was established in Hanuman Bhoka. Okay, and Rana Prime Minister Jung Bahadur Rana shifted to its Singh Darbar Vaidyakhana. Okay, so it is the some medicine production units, and they are stabilized dates. Okay, Bir Hospital was established in 1889 AD, and Royal Drug Research Lab was established in 1964 AD under the Ministry of Forest and Soil Conservation. And further, it is converted to the Royal Drug Limited in 1972 and transferred to the Ministry of Health and Population in 1993 AD. So these point is very important, and it is only applicable for Nepal region actually. This is the pharmaceutical legislations. Okay, in this several regulations were established. First one is Nepal Pharmaceutical Association, which is established in 1972 AD. Drug Act was promulgated in the 1978 AD. Various regulations under Drug Act, DAC and DCC Regulation 2037, Drug Registration Regulation 2038, Drug Inquiry and Inspections Regulation 2040, Drug Standard Regulation 2043, Drug Manufacturing Code 2041, Drug Sale and Distribution Code 2071, Good Manufacturing Practices 2041, Department of Drug Administration, abbreviated as a DDA, and established in 1979 AD. Nepal Pharmacy Council was established in 2051 BS under Nepal Pharmacy Counseling Act 2057, and National Drug Policy was promulgated by 1995, as well as Pharmacy Association of Nepal was established in 2015 AD. So these are the some regulations and related to the pharmaceutical legislation. Okay. The remaining point is the Nepal Chemist and Druggist Association, abbreviated NCDA, was formed in the year of 1973, involved in the pharmaceutical retailing as well as in wholesaling. Okay, so it is basically focused for the retailing as well as wholesaling. Okay, NCDA is purely non-governmental organization of pharmaceutical trade profession. Okay, so it is the not it is the non-government organization. Okay, so it is very concentrate on this point. Okay, this is the some points related to the pharmaceutical industries, and it is the pharmaceutical industries are the manufacturing allopathic, veterinary and herbal medicine in Nepal. So it is applicable only in Nepal region. Three areas were discussed here. First one is allopathic, veterinary and herbal medicines. The second one is APAN. It is the Association of Pharmaceutical Producer of Nepal, was established in 1990 AD. Chemi Drug Industries (POTLD) was the first pharmaceutical industry established in 1969 AD. Royal Drug Limited was established in 1972 AD to manufacture allopathic medicines. Several WHO GMP certified companies are on operation till date. Some are the SR Drug Laboratories (POT Ltd), Panas Pharmaceutical (POT Ltd), Simca Laboratories (POT Ltd), Asian Pharmaceutical (POT Ltd), Manoj, Everest, Lomas, and PI. So these are the some basic points regarding the pharmaceutical industries. The next one is some pharmaceutical education system of Nepal is discussed, and it is the indicates the pharmaceutical education started in the Nepal with proficiency certificate level. So initially, it is the proficiency certificate level, and after that, it is equal to the diploma of pharmacy, SAT diploma in pharmacy at the Institute of Medicine, Tribhuvan University in 1972. Okay. So first of all, this course is established in Tribhuvan University 1972 with the leadership of British pharmacist Paul David Spivey. Okay. The second point is that the Bachelor of Pharmacy program was established at the Kathmandu University in 1994, at the Tribhuvan University in 2000 and the Pokhara University in 2001, at the Purvanchal University in 2007. So these are the universities in which B Form uh, were stabilized. Okay. And the third point is diploma in pharmacy was started by the Council for Technical Education and Vocational Training. It is abbreviated as CTEVT in more than 25 colleges with a phase out of proficiency certificate in pharmacy. The next point is Kathmandu University was MPharm and PhD program in pharmacy. Pokhara University and Purvanchal University runs MPharm courses. Okay, so these are the some educational pharmaceutical educational systems which are stabilized in the Nepal region. Okay, first of all, D form is initiated, then B form, then diploma in pharmacy by the CTVT, and after that M Pharm as well as their higher degree PhD program were stabilized. So these are the some images indicating the different pharmacy such as World Pharmacist Day and as well as pharmacy, some other very important points, very important dates regarding the pharmacy, and basically focused on the Nepal region. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any queries regarding these points, please comment on the box.